The oil and gas industry is a key driver for economic welfare around the world, and supply chain plays an important role. Suppliers with high-quality standards, innovative products and services, competitive prices, and on-time deliveries are required. Overall, it's a complex operation. As an example, let's take the relationship between Honeywell and Saudi Aramco. This Saudi Arabian corporation is the world's largest integrated oil and gas company. Honeywell, an American multinational, invents and manufactures technologies for the oil and gas industry. But how is the process for Honeywell to become a legit supplier of Saudi Aramco? Supply chain management in Saudi Aramco represents a traditional and synchronized process with lots of paperwork. For the company to extract oil, it needs to create new facilities and maintain existing ones. In this case, Honeywell will initially register as a potential supplier for a specific project. Then Saudi Aramco will issue rigorous specifications and deadlines to meet high-quality demands for the products they require. Applying as a supplier does not guarantee any business with the company. So in order to comply with these specifications, Honeywell must be inspected and a physical certificate must be issued. These inspections are slow due to paperwork and repetitive processes, characterized by high standards of quality and safety regulations. Even with the certificate on the table, it takes a while for Saudi Aramco to approve Honeywell as a supplier. To speed up this final step, there are some agencies with connections inside Saudi Aramco that act as intermediaries between the supplier and the company. After the whole pre-approval process is completed, Honeywell can start bidding for contracts with Saudi Aramco. It is noticeable that for a manufacturer to become a supplier of the company and be able to bid, an inefficient and time-consuming process needs to occur. An innovative approach to supply chain management can benefit the relationship between the company and its suppliers, where efficiency, speed, and synchronization would define it. Overall, the pre-approval process will be more transparent and will bring trust and security. Currently, the application, requirements, certification, and approval documentation are stored in Saudi Aramco servers. Most of this paperwork is physical, which makes the supply chain very traditional. For example, for an approved manufacturer to start supplying a new product, the whole process needs to start all over again. The solution we are providing is to integrate everything, plus the implementation of smart contracts using blockchain technologies to digitize documentation and optimize the pre-approval process. The documentation from the initial application to the approval step will be synchronized to guarantee the mentioned efficiency, speed, transparency, trust, and security. One of the main objectives of applying blockchain in this business scenario is to minimize the existence of middlemen. We suggest partnering with one of the key players, offering the blockchain advantage to kill competitors and contribute to efficiency. Overall, the business model of implementing blockchain in this scenario is to optimize application processes. Therefore, the idea is highly scalable within the oil and gas industry, and there is room to jump to other industries such as mortgage, education, and automotive industries.